All right, I just hit the record button. We're going to start just about now. And while waiting for this one to come back online, because my MT4 takes a bit of time to start on my Mac. Um, in the meantime, I'm going to use TradingView to show you guys some of the stuff I'm looking at. So here I have a new window. And so what I wanted to show you is that compared to last week, for instance, like even right now, uh, just look at this parallel channel. So like, let's say from here, just taking this section to this section, there's already 12 pips of movement. And that's occurring just within minutes, you know. We're having about 12 pips of range within a very short period of time. So this is really, really excellent compared to what we had last week. Last week, in order to get about 10 pips of movement, it took about 35 minutes, 36 minutes. We checked that on a couple of webinars. So that meant that last week was totally not ideal for reversal kind of trading. But on the other hand, today is much of the norm that we expect. And I think that, you know, if it keeps up this way, it will be good. But for those of you who are listening to this and you're fairly new, I want to warn you that the conditions of the last 2 weeks are not over yet. We could possibly have that again toward the end of this week. Why? Because it's going to be I mean, of course, Donald Trump continues to do radical stuff, and we don't really know how the market's going to respond to his whims and fancies, so to speak. And on top of that, there also is a meeting between Donald Trump and Theresa May on Friday morning. So that could shake the markets up quite badly or quite well. But at the same time, leading up to that, what can possibly happen is a consolidation of the markets. So a consolidation is what happened for the last 2 weeks. And we may just get more of that. It's hard to say, but we may just get more of that. So I hope not. Um, if you look at the weekly analysis, I also mentioned that on this coming Thursday morning, there's going to be quite a lot of events on the calendar that should do quite well in terms of history that we have been trading the markets. But you know, if Thursday this week gets very muted, it will only be because of anticipation of what's going to happen when Donald Trump takes to the stage again. So um, let's start, anyways. Okay, let's head back down to the minute time frame. Looks like I really have to change my MT4, but I won't be doing that right now because that's going to take way too much time. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put that at the back of my screen and have TradingView up front. I know, I won't do that now because it'll take too much time. Really good market for reversals. That's what I can see. Beautiful. So pound has climbed a lot last week, and as you can see, the pound has climbed tremendously in the last week. You know, it's been overcoming about 20 days, 25 days of trading. It's on decline, and it's finally above the lows back in October last year. Okay, this was not bad. I mean, like, look at this. The range from top to bottom, we have about 11 pips. EA last week, less than 3 pips on a similar setup. So this week is quite good. I think we just wait. We should have some good opportunities to present themselves. Okay, in the meantime, let's do a consolidation breakout, okay? All right, let's set up on 60-second on EURJPY. This was 60-second put for a close beneath the line. Let's see if it gets back above the line. It went back above. Let's wait one more bar. Okay, so while waiting for the reversal setup to take place, let's do some of these breakouts, okay? Right now, watching this one. Once it closed beneath, we're in. There's a strong resistance at the bottom right here. Tentatively, I'm going to set up on put. Taking a long time. If you guys see anything else, let me know, and I'll take a look at it right away. This one is moving away from our expected break point. Just before that, great spree opportunity. Actually, the GJ is the same setup. So you could have taken a M5 10-minute put at this point. Okay, this one's pushing back down, so let's have a look. At 1 minute. And let's get back to the EJ setup, see that's breaking soon. Actually, GJ looks better, but for volatility reasons, I usually like to take UJ or EJ if possible. Small candles, but big movement. This is our area. Actually, I don't like the wick so much, so if I can find something else, I'd rather do that instead. So it can either be a call or a put as long as it breaks either above or beneath this area. Having said that, I do prefer the consolidation in the GJ setup rather than the EJ setup. Although the UJ setup is not bad as well. This one's a bit of a triangle actually. Also USD, let's try and catch a 2-minute put when it hits the top. Okay, this one tried to break the bottom, breaking the top. Get ready, guys. No, it's getting back inside again. So nothing done. But get ready for a breakout to the upside on GJ, okay? 60-second. Needs to close above. If it pulls back inside, then no go. It's like I'm gonna get it sweet. Okay, get ready. GJ and the close above. This one's quite good so far. Just needs to finish above right there, and then we're gonna go for call. CCI is already breaking out. We're doing a 60-second call setup. Oh dear. It's pulling back in again. Oh wait, it's back up there. So let's watch it in the last couple of seconds. I don't mind getting in a few seconds late just to ensure that this is the right trade. Okay, I'm taking it. All right, here we go. Here we go. I hope you guys were able to catch that one. And because I cannot draw a parallel channel on this one, I will not be able to foretell how high it can go. So I'm not going to attempt to take it back down or take a second one. I'm just going to take a single trade on this one. That's it. If you get a price change error, then that's just too bad. Leave it. All right, that's quite a bad sign to have a pin bar. But the good news is that it's enough for us to win this trade by 2 pips, which is monumental. Because in the last week we could hardly even win trades by like 1 pip. So winning by 2 pips is great. Okay, now this is becoming a little bit clearer. I can now see a bit of a pattern here, and with that I can possibly see how high I can reach and then take another setup. Okay, so I want to see it try to hit the top, and then I'll take a counter trend trade. In the meantime, nothing. In the meantime, nothing. So it's like I'm just going with that one. It's dojing, it's flattening out. I'd rather not do anything. So I'll wait for it to hit the top, and then I'll take a put instead. Okay. Well, of course you can try to ride it, but I'm just being high percentage. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, it's quite close. I don't think anyone should be losing this trade setup unless you had a bad entry. All right, get ready. 60-second or 2-minute put on GJ. Let's do a 2-minute put on GJ. Take it back down. So if you haven't entered this one, yes, you can enter now. This is a 2-minute put on the GJ trade. I'm getting some lag on my eyes. my screen, so I don't really know what's up with this because on my trading view I can clearly see it going up, but over here it's not. Okay, there you go. Re-entry. This looks good. I'll still take it for re-entry. Counter trend on 2 minutes. Let's wait for end of the minute just to be safe. It's more or less the end of the minute. That'll be enough for me. Okay, just want to make sure it's not making any new climb, okay? It wasn't intentionally going to be, 4090, just I didn't have time to edit the thing. That's really interesting. Okay, let me do a Fibo on this. It's really interesting here. Okay, it's going for the 161.8. What do you know? We could have taken it for a really good spree. Okay, wait a sec. When it gets up to that point, it is almost there. And we'll take it for about a 5 minute put. And what we're looking at is 141.96. Okay, so they faked us out for twice, but looking at the bright side, we never really had this kind of movement for a very long time. Martingale, yes. Okay, cool. We're almost there. If you don't wish to martingale, you can take this trade at the same size as your previous one. Okay, right smack 161. We'll take it right now. Since it's already pulling back mid-minute, what I like to look out for is like some weakness during the mid-minute, like 30 seconds in. If it's struggling to go high, making a little bit of a doji, then I tend to take the trade. Okay, from a risk management point of view, what happens if this one doesn't work out well? If this doesn't work out well, I'll most probably have to walk away from this setup and find a better opportunity later on. However, on the chart, what I see here is that we have a overextension, and we see that this bar here is very short in comparison to the previous ones. So there are two outcomes that we can have. One, it goes flat. One, it goes right down. One, it goes one that it actually climbs. So it's more unlikely, but not to say that it's totally impossible. It's actually highly overbought right now. The CCI is showing signs of dropping down. CCI is running on steam. RSI is maxed out, way maxed out, 100. We're in it for a 5-minute trade. We have 3 minutes left on this one. But I'm truly surprised at how much this one climbed. Oh yeah, that's a good point. I don't actually have the I don't have the indicator that marks out the daily highs on this one. Okay, now it's coming back into our range. So it's kind of playing ball right now. In the meantime, we're going to draw some additional resistances. This one. RSI is into that transition zone. CCI is into our consolidation for a new trend zone as well. Currently, we are 4 pips in the money. and it's about to break this moving average over here. The value chart has gone from the top part of the histogram to the bottom part of the histogram. So my my entry was the same as you, Malik. Just that I took it for 5 minutes while you took it 2. So I hope you guys also take this for 5 minutes. Would I recommend writing this down? Well, I don't really know if this is going to be a series of waves up or down. So the fact that I even went into like a 2-stage martingale on this one, I would just look for a different setup from this point on. That's why I just said. So I will not be writing this down. Again, my views are conservative views. And sometimes the views can be right or wrong. Like just now, I thought it would be reversing against us much sooner than this, but it actually took quite a while for that to happen. And more interestingly enough, this is just a 5-minute trade, and look how far in the money we are here. And this is 8 times 8 times the movement of last week on a 5-minute expiry. Mm-hmm. So anyway, the next range is going to be here. But exactly what I done. So let's say, okay, if you guys want to ride, right, you try a 60-second right after this one. Try a 60-second right after this. Okay, so I'm going to do a 60-second right after this one. I think that's fairly good because I marked out a price point right there. And I'm getting ready to do a 60-second put on the pound JPY. Okay, just want to see how that closes, and it closes nicely, where I want it to be. This level is on the, what's that, 852. The reason why I don't really mention prices is because on every broker it can be a little bit different. Because some brokers, they add, okay, like between MT4 and TradingView, TradingView is closer to what the brokers quote for price, whereas MT4 is kind of like the opposite. So about 2 pips. Okay, now that this one is a flop, just have to mark that out as a new resistance line and then look for the breakout of that. Okay. The old me, I used to just do a martingale down, but the better approach is to wait for a breakout. So right now, the more immediate breakouts would be these points over here. I'll delete this one. Hey, by the way, if you guys see any trade setup where it's like stretching the Bollinger Bands, let me know. Our GJ is coming back to push it again. All right, Aussie USD, we have a kind of a setup right here. I wanted to break to the downside. Okay, EJ, it's a little bit more sane, but same setup as well. So above 053 call, beneath what's this, 996 put. Set on EJ, Euro JPY. So when I say set up, it doesn't mean that we're going to take a trade straight away, but we're just getting ready for the trade. USD CHF, well, not bad. Is this a daily high? I gotta see. Let's go a couple of time frames, maybe to the. Yeah, it is kind of the daily high, more or less. Yeah, it is a daily high. That may not work out as well as we want it to. And right now we see a triangle at this point. It could break higher than that. It could possibly break higher than that. Of course, we don't want that to happen. We want it to just drop. Gold also same kind of thing. Let's stay on the USD Euro JPY. And once again, above 053 call, beneath 996 put. Great to see that today we have a fairly good attendance. I think that's because of the positive rating that I gave it for this week. GBP USD. Yeah, this is also fairly decent. Okay, you can go a little bit higher to about 632. 632 a put would be not bad. I think we could have that. Get ready on the. Oh, it's pulling back. It's pulling back. One more minute. Never mind. Let's get back on that EJ trade. Shit. It's flat again. Come on. GU, I wish it went up higher. Wow. Beautiful. UCAT is beautiful. Huh. Let's try a 2-minute call UCAT. 2-minute call UCAT. Crap. I'm a bit late. UCAT for 2 minutes. Might be a bit too late. No. Yeah. Oh, shit. I get it on 2-1 something. Okay, let's go. Sucks. Okay, this is a correlated USD movement. So you can take this one, you can take the UCAT. UCAT is still pushing. If UCAT is going against you, Martingale, because this one is looking like it's going to be a good setup. I would Martingale on UCAT. If it's not already winning, I'll Martingale. Good point. Wasn't looking at the payout. Hey, where did my indicator windows go? Shit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so Trump is still up to his monkey business. Uh-uh. See how the AU is doing in comparison to this. Same, yeah, same reaction. That's quite close. Borderline. And I hope the overall range is going to help us win the trade, at least tie it. Come on, come on. This is a close shave. Oh, wow. That's real nice. That's real nice. You should have the same movement on the AU as well. I hope you have that on AU as well. Yeah, you do. But Malik, one word of advice. Let's say if you Martin Gill wrongly at the wrong entry point, if you made a screw up along the way, then just restart your set of trades. Don't chase it that way. Okay, cool. GU, let's do a 5 minute put on GU. Let's try a 5 minute put. It could potentially break out higher, but let's try a 5 minute put first on the GU. Pound USD, a 5 minute put. We missed out a little. Oh, crap. Too late, too late. Okay, guys, if you missed this one, don't bother. If you missed it, don't bother. It's already moved by too much. That was really beautiful. Already moved by 3 pips. Gold, potential breakout. Above or beneath? 12139 or 1211165. Similar setup on Euro USD for those of you who don't have gold. UCAT middle or road, no go. EJ, get ready. Also a setup. So EJ, this is the one we're looking at. Just move a bunch of lines. Close beneath 60-second put. Get ready, EJ, 60-second put. Once it goes beneath. So today I'm going to be extremely opportunistic. If I have reversal opportunities, I'll take it. If I have breakouts, I'll take it as well. CCI is down beneath the 100. RSI is crossing the middle. Just need this to close beneath, and then we'll take it. But at the same time, this one is not moving a whole lot, so I want to see if we can find a better setup on the GJ or the UJ. GJ already broke. Yeah, no, let's not do the yen pairs for now. Don't worry, gold actually came back in, so nothing lost. Oh shit! Look at it. Look at that beautiful entry in the GU. If you guys taken that, you are now 12 pips in the money. Let's check. Yeah, good idea. Let's check the euro pound. Euro pound for 2 minutes put. Euro pound for 2 minutes put. Market price. Market price. That was good. So one of you asked about, can I give the level? Sometimes it's a bit fast, so what I'll do, I'll just say market price. If I mean, take it wherever you see. Okay, let's check out this one. I hope it doesn't hit the bottom too soon. How long I've been trading? I traded Forex. No, I traded stocks since I was 17. And then I traded stocks for like 2 years or 3 years. And then after that I did Forex for a few more years. And binary. Binary for the last 5, 4 plus. Yeah, 4 plus. Ah, come on. Okay, Martingale, this is a breakout to the upside. Actually, stay put for now. Stay put could be something going with this. We might get it in the next minute. This can be quite close. If we don't get this one, just abandon, okay? This pound USD trade, if we don't get it, just abandon. Abandon this one. It is too small movement. AU, I would say, it's like 123.6. Draw another one. Okay, let's do 5 minutes put Aussie USD. 5 minutes put Aussie USD. Market price. And same movement. All right, today we may not be too accurate on the initial entries, but I love the fact that we have a lot of movement, lots and lots of movement. So 5 minutes put on your USD as well. All right, this one's quite obedient. I think we can make it 5 minutes on this one, Euro USD. Aussie USD, let's check that. Oh, here we go. Aussie USD, Martingale 5 minutes. Market price. So Aussie USD had some subjectivity because of the different FIBO levels. No big deal. Get ready to switch to breakout, SR breakout, because I think that's going to be a bit more high percentage. Getting a couple of fakes today, although I'm still very enthusiastic about the fact that we have a lot of range. Alright, keep your fingers crossed. Initial entry on the Aussie USD may win. I think today is a great day to trade. So if you had some bad money management, just ignore the fact that you made a couple of mistakes and size your trades the way you should. Okay, don't, like, if you oversize some, then right size them and get back in. All right, stay down, stay down, stay down. Lovely, come on. It will be a great bonus to win the first Aussie USD trade as well. Oh yeah. Awesome. Woo! Close, but we got it. That's a bonus. And I think that's gonna significantly alter our winning rate. I mean our winning result for today. Oh shit, what's happening now? Okay, EU. Okay. Oh well. All right. Let's say if we won the Aussie, we lost the EU. Heck, just leave it be. We can't have everything. Well, I hope you guys got that, but if not, just leave it be. Would have been a great to have, but I'm not gonna chase it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sorry, I missed that. AJ was a good trade. If you took it, nice setup. Exactly. Let's find something else. Okay, USD JPY. Let's do it this way. Watch for a breakout down. The AJ not twice. Okay, not twice. Arbitrary not twice. Leave the close beneath. How much movement do we have? TCI looks like shit. Let's get back on UJ. USD JPY, 60-second put. Get ready. USD JPY, 60-second put. Get ready. Once it closes beneath. When it closes above, we're going to take a call. But right now, the margin is getting a bit small. I'm concerned whether it's going to go sideways or not. Everything is consolidating now. Euro USD, get ready for close beneath. Set up Euro USD instead. Euro USD, get ready for put. Close beneath. what I'm watching for. Right now it's back up, so no go. One more minute. I hope this will not be too big a bar. That's just about right. Stay like that. So waiting for this to close right the way it is. No, not clear cut. We can. No, don't take it, don't take it, don't take it yet. It went back up. We need one more bar to confirm that. I think what's happening now is that it is trying to see if it can break out of a certain range like that. So it's going to go sideways for some time. We're quite close to it. This bar will be the confirmation. Oh shit. It's back in. UCAT is still within the ranges. USD boring. UJ also boring. Come on. It's coming. I think it's coming. CCI is getting closer to it. Oh yeah. Get ready guys. USC JPY is still stuck. Oh dear. Still Euro USD. No! Oh no. What was that? Why did it have to go up? Let's get back to GJ and CVID. Wow, this is quite sucky price action. Okay, here. Break beneath this one, we're taking it. Sit on GJ, guys. GJ. GJ for put. Close beneath 568. No, close beneath 553. Ish. Couple more seconds. It's almost ready. Very close. Can it close beneath? Yes, take it. Take it. Put. GJ put. Oh yeah, here we go. Hey guys, since it's getting a bit flat, how about this? We end with this trade if we win it. Alright. It's getting so flat. Oh my god. Oh shit. Get back down, get back down. Come on, seriously? Okay, damn it. Okay, we're still stuck here for a moment because this one didn't finish in the money as I expected. UJ, jump on that one. UJ, jump on that. A bit late, but whatever. It's a bit late, so I'm not doubling up exactly. Just gonna go the same trade size. If EU broke out, then UJ broke out as opposite. GBP USD, let's try a 2-minute put. GBP USD 2-minute put. Wait for end of this minute. Oh, that's sick. The UJ is sick. Wow, look at that. You know what, UJ, let's do a call. 2-minute call. UJ, 2-minute call. Don't worry, GU and UJ is doing the same indecision with the price right now. You can take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes call. 5 minutes call, UJ. You want to get back to that? Take it 5 minutes. UJ call. If you're on a martingale. Crap. What I'm seeing is this parallel channel. It's quite parallel. So that should try to get back up to midway at least. So once again, this will be the last trade. If we win on this one, that'll be the last trade. Fairly exciting session. I don't mind the fake outs at all. Just love the return of the volatility. I think the market's getting a lot better. Yeah. Anyone who was around last 2 weeks can see that this is just providence, you know. And one thing is that I don't look at the higher time frames if I don't need to. Never do higher time frame unnecessarily. So unless you're really getting a lot of noise, there's no need to do 5 minute. Like with this kind of price action today at M1, there's no need to do 5 minute at all. Except for that GJ trade that you guys spotted at the beginning. That was a valid 5 minute setup, but other than that, no reason to do 5 minute chart at all. Because if you see how much the market is moving within, look at this, between here, this 545 and here, 324. UJ moved, what's that? Moved like 20 points in just 5 minutes. So with this kind of movement, why do you even need to do a higher time frame? Okay, what's this misbehavior here? You give it too much time? Is it consolidating? Okay, let's put another line on this one. I think it's true, the market is getting flat. $139. I think we can catch it. Maybe not. This is too much, too far down. But we're still on the UJ trade. Needs to come back in about a minute plus. It should go up. It should go up. It's getting quite flat though, so after this one we should really stop. Flatness I mean by one bar up, one bar down. mm. Mm. Okay, one more minute to push this past. Yeah, that should work out. That's fine. Same trades could be taken in Forex given this kind of movements, but that's only because today's movement is quite big. If you took last week, last week's kind of trade conditions and traded Forex, you would just be paying spread to the broker, that's all. Because last week's conditions were just horrible. Last 2 weeks, movements are so tiny. So my belief system is this. You trade binary to exploit all the really fast gains, but if you had to go out the time frames by a lot, there's no point to do binary to do Forex. Yeah, let's end it on this one. All right. Have a good time.